Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. Alright, in this video I'm gonna share you a tutorial on how to overcome waiting for a Wi-Fi when install any application on Google Play Store on Oppo A38. Okay, first of all, you have to go to Google Play Store first. You can click for it and then you can click for profile icon on the top. And then here you can choose for settings. Over there you can choose for network preference and then you can click for app download preference. You can click for it and then now you can change the settings into ask me every time or over any network. And after the setting is changed, you can download any application in Google Play Store without having to use Wi-Fi anymore. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.